117 book. Good.
Yes.
Okay. So we are starting the letter. I hope you are in the pink of your health and jovial spirit. Nice. It's been a long time since we met. However, you're always in my thoughts and prayers. Here, I would like to enlighten you. I would like to enlighten you. This is so not informal.
Okay.
I want to tell you something very exciting, something like that,
Okay.
right? Wanna hear something like that, right? Regarding the sports activity, which will be the most suitable for you, right? This is not to be written. I would
Okay.
like to enlighten you, right? Okay. In this fast paced era, we're not focusing on our health, therefore, we should play at least, leave a space, at least one game that will keep us fit and fine. As I know you can make it contracted,
Yes, ma'am.
gained body weight at a large extent, to a large extent, due to work from home, and you didn't know you don't devote yourself to reduce this. You don't devote yourself, you don't no, that's not the right word to use. You don't do anything, or you don't work towards reducing it. So cycling sport, I don't think you should use sport after cycling. Cycling would be the most appropriate. Before the superlative degree, you'll write the article the most appropriate, and you're using appropriate. I think it is the second time. Is it suitable?
No.
No, it's fine. Okay, okay, appropriate for you. Not only it will help you to plunge your body mass. Plunge, plunge means take a plunge in something, na?
Mm.
To plunge your, and this is something that happens very quickly, very quickly.
Mm.
I don't think plunge you should write here. Plunge,
Okay.
plunge your body mass. Um, Plunge means when you're very excited to do something, and then you all of a sudden involve yourself completely into it. So let's plunge into cycling. That's fine. But plunging the body mass is not correct. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that would drastically reduce your, or that would steadily reduce your body mass, because plunge is not the
Mhm.
right phrase to say. But
Okay.
also, as we are living near the foothills of Shivalik Hill, we can go on excursion to the hills, and it will break the monotony of life. Okay. Cycling is a cup of tea for you. Okay. Because you already know
W missing there.
how to drive a bike. How to drive nahi hoga, how to ride.
Right.
Drive is for four wheelers, and ride is for two wheelers or animals. Ride a bike. I think that you need just a one day nahi, just a day's practice, or just one day practice, which will be enough for you to keep and maintain the control of your hand and legs. Okay. Or to for your hand leg coordination, right? I'm also thinking about cycling. Okay, I'm also thinking of taking up cycling bhi kar sakte ho aap, because taking up is to start something. um, how it would be if we how it would be, you have to start it with a new sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Do you think we should both start, how how it would be if we both start this activity together? So this is a kind of a rhetorical question, so leave a question mark. It would be a great experience to enjoy the view of Sukhna Lake in the morning on cycle. See you soon, yours lovingly. Okay, the content is fine, but There are a lot of lexical related errors that you have made, like devote yourself, plunge your body, and drive a bike. Punctuation mistakes, so capital, small, comma, and lexical errors. Spellings, but mostly it is incorrect words. Incorrect, or you can say inappropriate words used. Task achievement wise, you're fine. At only one place, this looks like a formal letter. At this place, I would like to enlighten you, right? Other than that, I think you have managed to take care of the tone. And cycling is a cup of tea. Usually, when we don't want to do something or when something is very difficult for us, then we say it's not a cup of tea, right?
Yeah.
You can't say it is a cup of tea. When you say something is easy, you can say it is a walk in the park or it is a piece of cake.
Okay, ma'am.
Use these instead of it is a cup of tea, right? Usually, like I said, when something we are not able to do, cycling is not my cup of tea, right? When I don't want to do it and I would make excuses of not doing it, right? And it is also difficult for me, then I would use not a cup of tea.